Imagine you are a creator and you create videos and you create a lot of videos and you want to give other people the permission to use those videos. How do you do that? Let's talk about this. Hi, my name is Martisz. I make daily video about business, legal, and intellectual property. Intellectual property is copyright, trademark, and other intellectual property. If you want to know more about these things, feel free to subscribe. Otherwise, don't. I don't really care. But let's talk about video clips and how you can give license to people that want to use your video clip. So, and also how you can make money of it. So let's start. First thing first, let's look at the situation. So you have you as a creator or you as a person that buy. So let's say you as a creator, you create a film. So this is you, the creator, and this is the person that want to buy. Let's call it B. Yeah, and this is the clip, the video clip. So what are you going to do about it? So if you want to give them the permission to use it, you need to have a contract. And in a contract, you can put a lot of things into it. I'm going to discuss 3 examples what you can put into it. If you're a special Patreon member, you can download the contract for free. If you really want this contract, feel free to contact me and I will see what I can do for you. It's that simple. So as you can see, this is the contract. There are a lot of things that you need to put in the contract. For example, what's the scope of this license? So what is the license exactly? What are they allowed to do and what they're not allowed to do? It's important to put it in a contract, and it's also important to put in a contract what kind of compensation you're getting for the when they are using your video clip. You understand? And there are other things in the contract, but those things I will discuss with you. Just remember, if you want to give someone the permission to use your video, it's better to have a contract. And there's some specific things that you have to put in the contract, because when you do it right, you can get money for it. Business model you can put here is like people can pay you monthly, or people pay you just one-time fee, and they are allowed to use it on, for example, one platform, one social media platform, or 2 social media platform. Based on that, you're going to charge them for a price. If you want to know what kind of price is okay to charge for, I cannot tell you. Nobody can. It's for you to decide. Think about how much did you invest in it, how much time you spend on it, or how much you want to earn from it. And don't be like everyone else, make it cheap so otherwise they will not buy it. No, if people want to use your clip, they need it, so put a price on it. It's that simple. So business model, one lifetime, or if you can put monthly fee. And if it's a license, I will put monthly fee, or let them buy for 1 year and then next year they can buy it again. Just make sure you have a program that keeps track on the license that you're giving. If you want to know what kind of program you can use, think about Stripe, PayPal, because they give you the option to make subscriptions. And when you do that, people have license to use your clip, and you can put it in the system and you get a reminder that you need to send them an invoice. It's that simple. So don't think too much about it. So business model, subscription model, or one-time fee. That's simple. It depends what kind of company, depends what kind of company it is, or what kind of situation you are. But let's talk about the agreement. So that's really interesting. So let's go to the agreement. So this is the agreement. I'm not going to discuss everything with you. What I'm going to discuss are some things that I think is important to have, and also things that you need to consider when you are looking at this agreement. Again, if you're a special Patreon member, you can download this for free. If not, you have to contact me and we can see what I can do for you. Becoming a special Patreon member, just look at the website and you can become a special Patreon member. So yes, so you see, and I mean, look at the website of Patreon. Yeah, so what important is the following. You need to make sure that the person that giving you the clip, or that you, if you're giving the clip, that you are the copyright owner. And what I mean by that is, everything that you make in the video is yours. If you not do that, you can get problem. So it's important that when you look at the contract, let's look at this one. Owner represent and warrants. So you represent and warrants, you guarantee to the licensee, so the other person that is the sole and exclusive owner of a certain video clip which are described. So when you are giving permission, you need to make sure that you are the sole owner. If you not do that, then you violate the contract. That's not a smart thing to do. That's simple. I can call a lot of consequences about it, but that's not a smart thing to do. Make sure you are the sole exclusive owner, otherwise you will have a problem in the future. Yeah, so that's one thing that I want you to think about. Another thing is the following. What kind of license are you granting the person? And I give an example of a term that you could put in your contract. Owners hereby grants to the licensee the non-exclusive right and license to use the video clip or a portion of the video clip as a licensee shall see fit in connection with licensee's website. You understand that? So this is a non-exclusive right, but you can also give an exclusive right. If you give an exclusive right, you need to ask more money. But there are a lot of things that you can put in a contract, like I put in here. But like I said, if you want it, become a special Patreon member, you can get every month contract. So that's an agreement that you can put into it that I find also very important. And again, representation and warranty. I'm giving an example. License is the sole and exclusive owner of the video clip and the copyright and the other priority rights contained therein. This is so that you can make sure that the person that's giving you those rights, that they are guaranteed that they are the sole owner. Because if you do not do that and someone claim that they're a copyright owner, you're paying them for nothing, and you can also be being sued by someone else, and you don't want that. So watch out for these kind of things. That's also one thing that I always try to make sure that people have it in a contract or something like that. And another one is also important. Let's read it. Licensee shall place on its website a notice of copyright relative to the video clip and credits to the author and artist performing in the video clip, such as copyright notice shall be included on each page of the website that include the video clips as the sound component of such page. And yes, it's called attribution. Sometimes if you have a video clip and you have models in it, they want to have some attribution, and here they are asking, this is a model contract, they're asking for attribution. And make sure, if you agree upon that in a contract, make sure you put it on your website. This is an example. If you don't want that, you can remove it from the contract. So these are the things that I want to discuss with you. Like if you're a Patreon member, you can get this for free. If you want to customize, feel free to contact me. If you make one and you want us to check it for you, feel also to contact us. So it's about the contract. If you have a question about this, feel free to contact me, and I see you in the next video.